Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is my house currently, and so today we're going to do a little spring refresh, just using things that we already have in the house, just by simply moving them around and using them in different locations. So stay tuned. All right, so first I'm just gonna start by clearing everything out of our living room. So the only thing that I purchased for this spring refresh is just a new area rug for my living room. I have kids, I have 6, we have a lot of traffic, so I use this indoor-outdoor carpet here, and it's worked really well, but we really want to be able to lay on the floor sometimes and watch movies. So I went to my local Ross and picked up this shag rug, and it was like under $100. So I just placed a new area rug right on top of the old one, and it just added a great layer and texture. Oh. So this bench that I'm putting here, we actually had this bench for a while. Antonio and I made it, and I have a new DIY coming up that you guys will see next week of how I'm going to transform this bench. So for my coffee table, because it's springtime, my tray here, I just changed out some of the flowers and different whatnots inside of it. And actually, you'll see in the final clip, this is not going to be the final look of it. I mean, you just play around with everything until you get it how you want it. You just move different things around your house until you're satisfied. So at first I just had my curtains just hanging, but I wanted to add some tie backs to them just to add some color over into this space since the chairs are no longer there. And then these, I actually had these just sitting in the garage, and I wanted to do something with them. So they're just wood crates. And I had a bunch of different jugs as well. So I just decided to clean those off and make a cute little jug display there on my buffet. So the chairs that were in the living room, I just simply moved them over to the dining room table. My dining room table, I have not had head chairs there. I just used the ones on the side and the bench, but I decided to put these there. And I really liked how they looked, mixing the metal chairs with the cloth chairs. I thought it looked really good. So that's what I mean, you guys. You don't have to always get new stuff. Just take things from different areas of your home and move them around, and then you might be surprised at what you get. So overall, it may not be a huge change, but it is just the change that we needed. Just clean, refresh, just a new different couples of textures and layers added. And now we're ready for a new season. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And also, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more DIYs and home renovations.